What's up guys? So I thought I would make a quick video on my car's idling issue. So I've been having problems with my intake and the screw for the mount came off, so I had to zip tie it. Yeah, I don't like these AutoZone intakes, but anyways, so there's a hose that runs from here to my flashlight. It runs from there to the intake manifold. So it goes from there to there. There's just a little hose that goes in between there. And the problem is, whenever I was going and like changing out the timing belt and whatnot, there's a little nipple, plastic nipple, that comes out right there. Well, I broke that off. And unfortunately, you cannot find a direct replacement for that. So I had to go to AutoZone and get the next size down, and it's way too small. Alright guys, so without that hose, this is what it's doing basically. Whenever I get in the car and I start it up, I have to keep my foot on the gas or else I'll just die. So it's kind of hard to see. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and put it in neutral and start it. And this is what will happen. This instantly dies. Alright, so what I'm going to do now is wrap some duct tape around this to fit it in there. So I'll go ahead and test fit it, see how it looks. So yeah, it has a lot of wiggle right now, wiggle space. So we're still gonna have an air leak if I do it like that. So we need to put some more duct tape on it. Alright, well the hose just came off, but this is what it is guys, it's just a little AutoZone piece. And I decided to put the hose on that end, and it's kind of beat up, and then have that end on the intake manifold, so. But this end is still too small for this hose, and the zip tie isn't doing anything. So, I'm gonna wrap it in more duct tape. Alright, so that's pretty snug. I think we're gonna try to, I think one more layer would probably be good enough, because I can still pull it in and out. Actually, I don't know. I think that's pretty good. Alright, so for the last step, to make sure that it's very novicely set up, cover in duct tape. Well, the zip tie's a little bit in the way, so I don't know how well I'll be able to wrap it, but we'll see what we can do. I don't know how well this is gonna work. Let's see. Such an awkward place. Alright, so it's pretty much good now, hopefully. As you can see, it's just a lot of duct tape. But last time when it broke, the hose wasn't even in the hole. It was just, I guess I made a duct tape hose. I made a duct tape hose to like, that's the best I can explain it. So the duct tape just melted and tore halfway off. So now we just gotta connect the hose here. It's all hooked in, ready to go. Got the zip tie holding half of it in, duct tape holding the other half. Looking pretty solid. I'll be happy if it makes it, I'll say 1,000 miles. And then I will get my ass to a junkyard and I will get the proper part to go in there. So we're gonna go ahead and start it up. All right, here it goes. See if it actually idles now. And it does. Oh yeah, perfect. About 800 RPM. Awesome. All right, well, there you go. That's my really cheap fix using duct tape and a zip tie. Well, 2 zip ties technically. So yeah, there you have it. All right guys, thanks for watching. Sorry if you're not getting a video out in like a week. Just been really busy, all of us have. So yeah, stay tuned for more. See you guys later.